Guys, my husband is doing spur fishing here at the entrance, in Lex entrance. So there you go, guys. Didn't catch anything yet, but yes, we're looking some grass and more fish. Can you see any fish? No. How come? Not so many fish around. Just here. No fish yet. He said not so many fish around. Beautiful beach, guys. Here. So nice. Beautiful water. Very nice and clear. So good. Nice day for fishing. Sunny day. A bit windy, but it's not too bad. Woo, jump, jump, jump. May kuha. Ako na isda. Pag sure ba sinagiyahang panawa nag-work. Di lagi ko anak mukaon ng diha. Kay tagbawal na day. Lots of mussels, guys. Look. Pwede ta manguha. Ato nang limpyuhan daan gisahon nato. Saman.